The buzzer serves as a simple yet effective audio signaling device that emits a beep-or series of beeps to alert users or indicate a particular state in an electronic circuit. It is widely used in a variety of applications, from household items like alarms and timers to industrial machinery. A buzzer primarily operates on the principle of electromagnetism. When a voltage is applied to its terminals, the current flows through the coil inside the buzzer, causing it to become an electromagnet. This pulls a metal diaphragm towards it, which disrupts the air to create sound waves. When the current is interrupted, the diaphragm returns to its original position, ceasing the sound. This cycle can be repeated rapidly to produce a continuous beeping sound. A buzzer for beep source is an acoustic signaling device that generates audible sound signals when activated. It's commonly used in electronic circuits and devices to provide audio feedback or alerts to users. When an electrical current is applied, the buzzer's internal mechanism produces sound vibrations, creating a beeping sound. Buzzer modules are employed in a wide range of applications, including alarms, timers, notification systems, and DIY projects where audible alerts are necessary to convey information or warnings to users.